Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are looking at Max Olympiad problem. The question is, if A, B, C, D belongs to R, satisfying A square plus D square minus AD equal to B square plus C square plus BC, A square plus B square is equal to C square plus D square, then find the value of AB plus CD by AD plus BC. So here this problem is somewhat tough, logical problem. So here it took more time to get the answer. So I am doing on process. If you are having any easy other process, you can give the suggestions. So here, as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. So here more than 500 videos are there. Olympiad problems. You go through all the problems. Thank you. So here in this problem, how to solve this? First of all, here you have to get the clarity. So first, let us take some value. Let S is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. Let S is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. So what is given first one? A square plus D square minus AD is equal to B square plus C square plus BC. So here we want AD plus BC. AD plus BC value. So here you have to get the formula A plus B whole square or A minus B whole square. A plus B whole square or A minus B. This means here A plus D whole square or A minus D whole square. So for that what you are doing, adding BC minus AD on both sides. BC minus AD on both sides. So what will get A square plus D square minus AD plus BC minus AD. This one we are adding B square plus C square plus BC plus BC minus AD. We are adding BC minus AD on both sides. So this can be written as A square plus D square minus 2AD plus BC is equal to B square plus C square plus 2BC minus AD. Now sending all the terms one side. So BC plus AD. We want BC plus AD. BC plus AD we want here. So sending all the terms to that side. B square plus C square plus 2BC minus A square plus D square minus 2AD. So here this can be written as S minus 2A into S minus 2D. So here you will get doubt how this value is equal to S minus 2A, S minus 2D. So that you have to note it. So like this you will get 4 values. Just I am saying one value. S minus 2A is nothing but B plus C plus D minus A. So S minus 2D is nothing but A plus B plus C minus D. So if you multiply these values, if you multiply these values here, so what will get the values here? AB, first I am multiplying these two, AB plus B square plus BC minus BD plus AC plus BC AC BC C square minus CD. Next, AD plus BD plus CD minus D square minus A square minus AB minus AC plus AD. So if you solve this, you will get the above one now. You will see here, first AB minus AB get cancelled, BC won't cancel, BD plus BD minus BD cancel, plus CD minus CD get cancel, plus AC minus AC get cancel. Now what is left? B square plus C square plus 2BC minus of A square plus D square minus 2AD. So here these two parts are same, you can observe. So this is the first one I am doing, the remaining cases I won't do. So these two parts are equal, that's why this is equal to S minus 2A into S minus 2D. Okay, I hope you understood this. We will go to the next step. Okay, again we are taking A square plus D square minus AD is equal to B square plus C square plus BC. So this time what you will do, you will adding 3AD minus 3BC. So why you are adding 3AD minus 3BC means here minus 2AD will get. So here what will get? A square plus D square minus AD plus 3AD minus 3BC is equal to B square plus C square plus BC plus 3AD minus 3BC. So here again you will get the formula. So this one will get 2AD A square plus D square plus 2AD minus 3BC is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC plus 3AD. So what is required here? BC plus AD is required. So sending the terms to that side, A square plus D square plus 2AD minus B square plus C square minus 2BC is equal to 3 of BC plus AD. So this value can be written as S minus 2B into S minus 2C. S minus 2B into S minus 2C. Let it be second one now. So the previous one will take as first one. Now equation 2 we are taking. Equation second one, what is given? A square plus B square is equal to C square plus D square. Here also we are adding 2AB minus 2CD. 2AB minus 2CD. Adding 2AB minus 2CD on both sides. So here A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 2CD is equal to C square plus D square plus 2AB minus 2CD. So here we want AD plus CD. AB plus CD we want. AB plus CD. So here what you are getting? A square plus B square plus 2AB minus of C square plus D square minus 2CD is equal to 2 of AB plus CD. AB plus CD. So this can be written as, this value can be written as S minus 2C into S minus 2D. Let it be 3. Now again A square B square is equal to C square plus D square. We are adding 2CD, just we are changing minus 2AB. So A square plus B square plus 2CD minus 2AB is equal to C square plus D square plus 2CD minus 2AB. So this can be written as A square plus B square minus 2AB minus C square plus D square plus 2CD is equal to 2 of AB plus CD. So this can be written as S minus, this can be written as S minus 2A into S minus 2B. Let it be 4. Now multiplying 1 and 2, multiplying 1 and 2, 3 of. So what is 1? BC plus AD. BC plus AD whole square is equal to S minus 2A into S minus 2B into S minus 2C into S minus 2D. Now multiplying 3 and 4. So here you'll get 4 of AB plus CD. 4 of AB plus CD whole square equal to S minus 2A into S minus 2B into S minus 2C into S minus 2D. Now let it be 5 and let it be 6. Now we want AB plus CD. 6 divided by 5. 6 divided by 5. 4 of AB plus CD whole square by 3 of BC plus AD whole square is equal to 1. Why? Because these two values are same. We'll get cancel, we'll get 1. Now AB plus CD by BC plus AD whole square is equal to 3 by 4. I want only AB plus CD, BC plus AD is equal to square root of 3 by 4. So root 3 by 2 is the answer. So I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.